friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making easy sesame cookies. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are the ingredients we need: eggs, sesame seeds, brown sugar, and vanilla. So we're going to mix 1 egg white. So just the egg white, no yolk. So whisk it. And now add 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And mix it until combined. And now let's add 2 cups of sesame seeds. And now let's mix it until combined. So now everything is mixed together. So let's drop it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and shape into cookies. Perfect. So now the cookies are ready to be baked. So I'm going to put them in the oven. So again, the oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's put the cookies in the oven and bake. Now the sesame cookies have been baking for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 15 minutes and they're ready. So let's take a look. Perfect. Here are amazing sesame cookies. So now we just need to have them fully cooled down and then we'll try it. So now the cookies are fully cooled down. It's been about 30 minutes. So they're cool enough to handle. And look at this. Perfect sesame cookies. They look amazing. So take them off the baking sheet here and put them on a plate for serving. perfect. They look so delicious. I'm so excited about trying them now. Let's try it. So good. Such crispy sesame seeds, and they go so well with brown sugar, and it just tastes amazing. Such a deep toasted sesame flavor. If you're a fan of sesame, you're going to love these cookies, and they're so easy to make, and also they're naturally gluten-free if you're looking for that. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!